In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TradingView Widget in Notion. By the end, you'll have an interactive market view living right inside your workspace, perfect for tracking stocks or crypto alongside your notes and plans. Start by heading to Notion's website and signing in. I'm using the Continue with Google option for speed, then selecting my account to get into the workspace. Once you're in, open the page where you want the widget to live, something like a trading dashboard or any page you already use for market notes. If the page is empty, that's fine. We'll add the embed in just a moment. Now switch over to a new browser tab and go to TradingView. Take a moment to browse around and decide what you want to display. You might choose a specific symbol chart, a market overview, stocks, crypto, or any public page that shows the data you want. The key is to land on the exact view you'd like to see in Notion. When you've got it, copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. This link is what Notion will use to generate the embedded preview. Head back to your Notion page and click where you want the widget to appear. Type /embed to bring up the embed options, then select Embeds. Paste the TradingView link into the field and confirm. Notion will fetch a preview and place it on the page. Give it a second to load. Once it appears, you can drag the block to reposition it and grab the handles to resize it so it fits your layout. If you're using columns, you can also drag the block into a column to keep your dashboard tidy. You should now see your TradingView content embedded right inside Notion. Try scrolling within the block or interacting with the view to make sure it's displaying what you expect. If it doesn't load or shows only a basic link, double-check that the TradingView page is publicly accessible and try another related page or symbol. Sometimes a quick refresh of the Notion page helps the preview render properly. That's all there is to it. You went to Notion and signed in, opened your trading page, grabbed the exact TradingView URL you wanted, used the embed command, and pasted the link. Repeat the same process if you want multiple widgets. For example, one for a stock index and another for a crypto pair, so your dashboard gives you a complete snapshot at a glance.